Hey everyone, welcome in chapter 4, the Z-axis. Step 1, the motor holders. Now, these two parts aren't identical, they are mirrored, so I have to make sure, yes, these are the right ones. I have to make sure I put them in the right place. Also I'm gonna need 6 10mm M3 screws. Next we need the two Z-axis motors. That's one. And that's two. And these each have a different cable length. Short one is the left one. First remove the trapezoid nuts from the motors. We're also gonna need the two, these ones, lead screw covers. And that's two. Next up, install the motors. For that we need 8 10mm M3 screws. Okay, motors are in place. Then next we need the X-axis again. Oops, I heard one of the nuts fall out. That's not good. Probably one of these guys. Bingo, there it is. Of course, the one that's hardest to oh, okay, there it goes again. And then next. The motor nuts, these guys. We need the 2 motor nuts and then Z-axis. 4 18mm entry screws. 1, 2 and 3, and 4. And also 4 M3 nuts. Okay, now first of all we have to turn the, there he goes again. Just turn the x-axis upside down. And insert the M3 nuts. Put the motor nut on. Okay, those are in place. Next step. Oh, also remember to put this guy back. Okay. Now. Okay, make sure the axis is parallel to the frame, more or less. Yes, okay. Now we need the 2 remaining smooth rods. These 2. These are for the Z-axis. And very carefully slide them down. Also a bit noisy. So that's good news. That means I didn't warp these. And then placing the Z-axis top covers. We need the two top covers and 4 That's it. And I believe I am running out of memory space. So I'm okay, next up, the Z-axis, the X-axis belt. For that we need the belt, of course. Turn the printer around. And first insert the belt into the belt holder. And using a screwdriver, make sure it's pushed all the way in. Okay. This won't go anywhere. Next. Now, before we continue, turn it around again. I have to release these two upper screws. That's for being able to tension the belt. Now rotate the motor towards the frame. Okay. Next, turn it around again. A fair amount of tension, yes. Okay, now rotate it like this. Whoops. Damn it. Okay. I have to take it out again. It wasn't correctly wrapped around the motor idler, the motor pulley. Okay, now it is. Okay, I see what the problem is. have to put the pulley a bit closer to the motor. And also I put it on backwards. Okay, so that explains a lot. Should go on like this. Voila. Now again, check if everything moves freely, and I hear some meowing. Okay, that's perfect. Now check the tension. Okay, it won't move at all. Finally, we're gonna trim the belt over here. There we go, and then, oops, a little bit shorter. And that finishes the Z-axis. Okay, that's about halfway through the assembly. Time for another gummy bear. Or 2 gummy bears maybe. Okay, that was chapter 4. 5th one is gonna be huge. That's the biggest part of the assembly, but that's for next time.